Hey guys, today I wanted to give you a flip through, a non-chatty flip through of my number 8 composition notebook. I know this is out of order, but I have a playlist that has all of my composition related videos. If you want to go check it out, I will have it linked. Today I just thought, since I finished this one, I would share it with y'all. I have a very long, extended, chatty video where I kind of talk through all of the pages, but I also thought, you know, people don't have time for that. People don't have time to talk about or to listen to you talk about Disney like a crazy Disney adult. So I thought I would do a faster flip through for those of y'all that just want to get straight to the business and see the creativity. This was a really, really fun journal to work on because we went to Disneyland, so there was so much good stuff to add. Like, so many pictures were taken, of course, because it's so cute and picturesque, and I was able to collect so much ephemera, like little paper fans, little pamphlets, maps, memories, bags, everything. I save every little scrap of paper that I can. Wristbands, you name it. Receipts, pieces of otherwise garbage, I save it and I add it to my journals, and it makes me happy. So no judgment here, because if it ends up in a journal, it's not hoarding. And look at how cute this is. It reminds me of our wonderful time at Disney. It was just such a romantic trip. Disney after dark for Sweethearts Night. Lamplight, my favorite restaurant at Disneyland, probably so far #1, because the drinks are made by real bartenders and the food is delicious. It's made by real people, I think, so I love it. Also had to throw in a plug to Cheesecake Factory because I love my chicken parm and I love my Disney. And since this was kind of like Valentine's time, there's lots of really sweet, lovey-dovey kind of Valentine's Day references in here, relying heavily on like red and pinks, and of course I love blue and yellow. So I add those colors a lot also. I love butterflies. That's a very recurring theme in my journals. And I love the little pieces of happy mail that y'all send me. Oh, so sweet. I love sugar skulls and plants. And I love my friend's baby so much. She's so sweet. So I did this like collage with some block lettering and some flowers just because she's so beautiful, and watching her grow up and seeing my friends have babies is just so magical. So more collage and pictures. I use just my regular old printer with sticky label paper to print off my photos. Here's like some painted backgrounds that never really got finished. This book is lots and lots of collage and lots of washi tape. In the future I would like to do more art, but I have a lot of these like free magazine subscriptions, so it's really fun to be able to add those really pretty like professional photos into your journals. Like, I probably wouldn't have documented the Super Bowl otherwise, but I found this football picture in a men's magazine, so I added it, and now I can remember the Super Bowl, I guess, or have that trigger of a memory. And always thinking about Christmas. I wrote, is it too early to start thinking about Christmas? And the answer is no. It's never too early. So I added that to my journal and added lots more collage. There's this like horoscope, and I thought these like face pearls kind of went together, and it tips out like this, and on the back it's pink, and their puffy coat is just so cute. So I added washi tape and a bunch of collage from like Daphne's Diary because I love all of the like teacups. I have a teacup collection, so I collect any of the little scraps of paper from Daphne's Diary with the teacups. Love this butterfly top. Wish I could wear it. More collage out of Daphne's diary, and I did some journaling about this place that we went to for drinks, and more collage from Daphne's diary. It's just so cute. I try and keep like colors together, so like reds and yellows, and then this one is just all out colorful, but I did tie in like the black and white. This is just scribble nonsense and I didn't really know what to do, so I just taped these historic distinguished gentlemen in here. I think these are from a Flow magazine. I did some journaling over here, just trying to get out some feelings, word vomit style. Don't really like sharing my journaling on the internet, so I'll just try not to spend too much time on that. And like adding pictures and journaling here. I plan to about our little sushi date. This is just like a craft garland that I made for Valentine's Day. I thought I would save it in here. And some of my favorite Valentine's Day cards from the season. So sweet. And I just added this like Harry Potter, bunch of Harry Potter stuff, along with all of the really sweet Valentine's Day cards, cute washi tapes, and then definitely feeling the spring vibes. Love these butterfly stickers, packing slip, lots of collage and stuff collected in this journal. Not as much journaling, but there is some of it. Like I said, more teacups and washi tape border, so cute. I try and date my journal entries just because I jump around in my books so often, but this book came together so fast. Here's more like intentional bleed through with alcohol markers, and then on the back I just gave them little faces, and more collage with washi tape border. So cute. Collage from my like garden goals. More intentional bleed through. I just love how it looks on the front and on the back. House plants, and like a big old house plant. Pictures that I took a long time ago, but I never really got off my phone, so I wanted to add them to my journal. Here's more pictures from brunch, and my girlfriends brought their babies, so it was just like, it was so sweet. So I have pictures tucked in here and there, but I do love that I can like enjoy the photos on my phone tangibly and have all of this like tangible little reminders about this beer that we drank, or this clothing that I bought. This page is so random. Again, another kind of random page, but I did do some journaling. There were some notes under here. I covered it with a post-it and then did all of this stuff on top of it. Collage from a magazine. I just thought the colors were pretty. A bunch of ephemera from our day wine tasting, Mother's Day. So I did a little journaling about that and kept like all our little things, and did some collage on this side with some shiny washi tape, and then saved some more packaging from a chef's knife set that I bought. Added some washi tape, very colorful washi tape, and then it went with like this colorful page out of a magazine that I just tipped in here. And then on the back of every book I like to do a hidden Mickey. This one's not, you know, hidden, but I have a pocket just to collect things from along the way. And I thought I would collect a mask because it's like relevant to the times, and those are my favorite masks at the moment. So I don't know, is that weird? I don't know. Anyways, here is the flip through of my number 8 composition book. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching this video, and until I see y'all in the next video, stay creative. Okay, bye.